Hi everyone! Ang awkward kasi nasa restaurant kami right now. It's been a week from the time na natapos na yung Paris trip namin. And yesterday, we had the opportunity na mag-quiet time and to reflect back, ano ba yung mga naituro nung trip na yon. Kasi, di ba we always say na we travel to discover, we travel to heal, may kailangan i-heal. I mean, travel to parang mag-explore, to discover new versions of yourself, to learn more, para merong mga life lessons na dinadala ang every travel that we go through. First lesson was, if it honors Him, He will make it happen. In our prayer, na-transform yung heart namin to not just travel and do it for our self-benefit, pero to also make it an opportunity to share His word. So, ano pa yung other life lessons na natutunan mo? Ikaw naman. So, akin yun na yung first ko. If it honors Him, He will make it happen. Ano yung second?
Sa akin, do everything with love. Pag out of love yung ginagawa mo, parang hindi ka mapapagod eh. Kaya nga doon dapat tayo sa source ng love, di ba? Si God, si Jesus Christ. Siya yung source ng love. Sa Kanya nagagaling yung love natin, yung strength natin, yung wisdom and knowledge ng pag-share natin kay God. Para natin siya i-share sa family natin, especially sa mga lolo and lola natin.
Kaya nga doon kami nabibless ng sobra kasi before the trip, na-realize lang namin to nung nandun na kami sa plane na grabe yung love na pinakita sa amin ni God prior to the trip. Kailangan pala yun, no? Na parang before you get to share His love to other people, kailangan personal. Talagang meron ka ring personal experience of His love.
Oo naman siya.
Na mag-overflow na lang. Kasi honestly, nakakapagod to love people at times kasi we're imperfect. By human nature, parang palaging selfish yung desire natin. Pero pag nakita naman natin na we are undeserving of His love and grace in the first place. Yes, God has freely given you that kind of love. Parang mas madaling magmahal, mas madaling kayang ipakita sa mga tao that the same God who loves me this much and unconditionally is the same God who loves you.
Tsaka, di ba sabi mo nga, pag nag-overflow yung love ni God, umaapaw din yan sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo.
Yeah, kasi
And
hindi mo kaya
nakikita nila
contain yun eh,
Oo.
na ikaw lang yun, di ba?
Makikita nila yun. Doon papasok yung magiging curious sila na, uy, saan nanggaling yung love ng mga tao? From God.
Oo.
Doon mag-open yung door na you can share the word to them.
Yeah, exactly. So, yun yung second. Third, trust the process. You will not always understand God's vision.
Hanggat hindi mo ginagawa.
Ito, funny tong context nito kasi we were going through all the videos that we took during the trip. Madami sa magagandang shot na nakuha talaga ni Louie were the shots na parang during that moment, sinasabihan namin na, uy, ano ba? Wag ganyan. Kasi sa floor niya nilalagay or parang delikado or parang... Pero he has something in his mind pala for that specific shot. Yet, he still pursued and continued to film it the way he...
Kahit sinasabi niya na
Oo, kahit parang nawiwirdohan kami sa mga anggulo niya.
Pero pag nakita mo yung outcome, maganda pala.
Maganda pala. So, we were able to relate it to God's vision in our lives. Na parang, during that specific moment, it doesn't make sense. Na parang, hala Lord, ano ba itong ginagawa naman? Parang ganyan-ganito.
Weird,
Oo, if we only trust the process and we look at the vision that God has for us, nakita mo na yung result, yung final outcome, parang doon mo makikita na,
Okay.
ang galing.
Ganda.
Amazing. Oo. Okay, so fourth life lesson naman na natutunan ko was, just enjoy. Parang prior, ako as a traveler, lagi akong may plano. It's good to have a plan, pero ang daming mas magagandang nangyari na hindi namin plinano at all.
Continuous.
Even if things don't go as planned, parang learn to enjoy it kasi be sensitive din. Sometimes when God reroutes you to a different direction, it means na may pinapagawa siya sa'yo or He's protecting you or may tinatry siyang sabihin sa'yo.
Hanggang dito na lang muna.
I wish na package ko yung mga main lessons talaga na natutunan namin throughout the trip. Nagpapasalamat lang talaga kami kay God. Just want you to know, guys, na syempre, you will see all the great things, the beautiful things, no? And we thank God for it. But I also hope that you don't forget na everyone has a battle that they're fighting within. Though you see that things have come easy for us. Meron din kaming mga struggles that we're going through. I'm just really thankful that we have God in the center and we have each other. So, ayun lang. I just hope that you also always, katulad ng sa amin ni Louie, always guard your heart. Kasi it's easy to be deceived physically sa world. Nakikita mo that everything is nice, everything is good. But then when things are hard, kamusta na ba tayo? Believe it or not, guys, marami kaming blessings and testimony to share. But we also have a lot of trials and hardship that we're battling with God. And we're thankful kasi we know that God is victorious and we know that God will never leave us or forsake us. And kung ano yung will niya, dun tayo. Kasi we know that that's the best one. So, ayun lang. I hope na na-bless kayo with our life lessons and see you again next time. Thank you!
Oo,
Nakita
sabi
niyo po
ko
yung
sana
picture?
kung magandang dating. Lalo nang nakita ko ngayon tapos tuwang-tuwa na ko. Ay, wow! Yung kumalapit na tayo. Nagkita.